Welcome to GKey IT Solutions Private Limited. At GKey IT Solutions, we specialize in delivering excellence through four core areas: information and technology, consulting, training, and placements. Through information technology, we design and deliver innovative IT solutions that drive business transformation and digital success. Through consulting services, we provide outsourcing solutions with skilled and semi-skilled professionals and ensuring organizations have the right talent at the right time. Through training and upskilling, we empower aspiring professionals with industry-relevant data analytics training in SQL, Power BI, Tableau, ETL, Excel, Python, and more, and shaping them into future-ready data analysts. Through placements, we bridge the gap between talent and opportunity, helping candidates achieve their dream jobs in IT industry. GKey IT Solutions is your partner in growth, innovation, and success.